Hey gang, Chris Hadley here with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. Well, rates have stayed fairly steady this week, and we're still around that 6.625% APR in our 30-year fix for our borrowers with good credit, low debt ratio, and 5% minimum down payment. And our rates for our first-time buyers are still right around that 6.49% APR. And there's a few things in the news that are worthy of mention, so here we go. First, on Tuesday, we got what's called the Producer Price Index report, which showed that wholesale or producer inflation rose by 0.1% in July, and we were expecting a 0.2% increase. And the core rate, which strips out the more volatile food and energy prices, came in at 0%. Now, this report is kind of like a leading indicator because it measures inflation on the wholesale level, what producers pay. So then on Wednesday, we got the July CPI report, which showed that overall inflation rose by 0.155% for the month, which was below the estimates of 0.2%. And the year-over-year number decreased from 3% down to 2.9%. And the core rate increased by 0.165, which was below the estimates of 0.2. And the year-over-year core CPI declined from 3.3 to 3.2. So overall, both of these reports were very promising and very good news. And based on these two reports, we're almost 100% certain that the Fed will lower the federal funds rate in September. The big question will be, will they lower it by 0.25% or 0.5%? My money's on the 0.25%, but we'll see. And lastly, on Thursday, we got the initial jobless claims, which, as you know, as you might remember, measures individuals filing for unemployment for the first time. And this fell 7,000 to 227,000, which was beneath the estimates. And this stopped the bond market in its tracks and kept mortgage rates from improving much beyond what we saw at the end of last week and early this week. So overall, not really a bad week for mortgage rates. At least we didn't lose any ground and we stayed fairly steady. The improvements we've seen over the last couple of weeks are holding. So that's good news. So if you or someone you know is looking to purchase a home and don't know where to begin, give us a call here at Team Hadley at 717-730-4476 or my cell, 717-571-6384. And we'll be happy to be your guide to get you on the path to building wealth through homeownership. You can also go to our website at teamhadley.com. Have an awesome day. Take care.